everyone, get ready. Our hard-working digger friend is rolling in to start the fun.
Vroom, vroom! Look at that bright yellow paint shine. It's ready to scoop up some adventure.
Oh no! Where did the pieces go? Everything turned into a shadowy silhouette.
Maybe the digger is playing hide and seek? I bet he's hiding under the couch.
Not quite, silly. We need to find the missing parts to build our strong friend. Point to the bucket. Click! That piece fits perfectly. Now let's find the heavy tracks to help him move. I see a big arm. Can you count the gears with me? 1, 2, 3. Snap it in place.
Almost there. Just one more piece for the cabin. 3, 2, 1. Pop it in!
No! God!
Ta-da! He is fully assembled and looking strong. Happy New Year, little digger!
You guys are puzzle masters. Let's give a huge round of applause for a job well done.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are matching mighty military machines to their secret shadows.
Vroom! Is that a giant space rocket? I bet it's a rocket, right?
Look at those fluffy huskies watching us. Can you point to the matching silhouette on the road?
2, 1, go!
I think the big missile launcher goes there. Or maybe it's the bridge builder.
Military transport truck.
Let's see if your choice
Military
lights up
transport
with a
truck.
green yes.
This is a military transport
Click the
truck.
screen if
It
you
carries
think it's
soldiers,
a
food, and
match.
equipment to different places. The truck is strong and built to handle tough roads.
You got
It helps support
That's
the
a
army during
perfect
missions.
fit. Great job, team.
Amphibious
Wow.
bridging vehicle.
Look at that amphibious vehicle splash into
Amphibious
the river.
bridging
It's
vehicle.
like a boat
This
on
is an
wheels.
amphibious bridging vehicle. It is used to build floating bridges across rivers and water areas.
It's literally
The
driving
vehicle
on
can
water.
move on
That
land
is
and
so
float on
cool.
water.
I want
It
one
helps
for my
troops and
bathtub.
vehicles cross safely during military missions.
No, 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 no.
We have 2 more shadows left. Can you count them with me? 1, 2.
Launch vehicle. Launch vehicle.
I see the
This is a launch
vehicle.
vehicle.
hiding.
It is
Let's
used to
slide
carry
it into
space
place.
rockets and
3,
send them into
2,
orbit.
1.
The vehicle has powerful engines that push the rocket high into the sky. It plays an important role in space missions like launch.
The missile launcher is
Missile
ready
launcher.
for action. Look at it go in the field.
Missile launcher. This is a missile launcher. It is a system used to fire
Mission
guided missiles at
accomplished.
targets.
You all are
Some are on
total
trucks,
puzzle masters.
while others are
Smash
set up on
that
the ground.
subscribe button
They
for
are
more
used for
fun.
defense and long-range attacks.
You did amazing today. Give yourselves a huge high five. See you next time. Welcome, explorers. Grab your detective hats. We are heading into the desert for a super cool puzzle mission.
Wow, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a giant spaceship? Host A?
Not quite silly. Those are the silhouettes of our brave vehicle friends waiting to be built. Let's help them. Point your fingers at the screen. Can you find the wheels for our hardworking digger? Click them into place.
Vroom, vroom. I think the big blue body part goes right here. Wait, maybe it goes upside down?
Oops, careful. That piece needs to turn around to fit the heroic fire truck perfectly. Try again.
No, no, no,
Tim,
no.
that siren looks amazing on top of our brave police car. You guys are doing fantastic.
No, 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 no.
Almost there. Let's count the vehicles together. 1, 2, 3. Ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! Look at them go. You solved the puzzle and saved the day, little heroes. High five, everyone. Hey there, little builders. Welcome to our desert construction site, where all our heavy-duty friends are waiting to play!
Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a giant pancake?
3,
No,
2,
wait, I
1,
think it's a
go!
road roller.
You're getting warmer, but let's be precise. Click that road roller right into its home. Kerplunk! Perfect fit. Now, here comes our hardworking digger. Vroom, vroom! Can you point your finger and help it slide into the shadow? New round! We have a swirling cement mixer and a bumpy road roller. Which one goes in the left slot, team? Ting! That mixer fits like a glove, and the roller is right behind it. You guys are construction pros!
Final mission. We need the mighty dump truck and our digger friend. Do you see them hiding up top?
Boom! You did it! Fireworks for everyone! Thanks for building with us today, you absolute superstars! Hey everyone! Welcome to the Big Blue Truck Puzzle Party! Are you ready to build?
Oh no, why are our truck friends so sad? Maybe they lost their cabins.
Let's help the mining truck. Can you spot the right cabin for this big yellow machine?
Is it this tiny square one? No, that's too small. It needs to be big and strong.
Great eye! Drag that cabin over and click. It locks right into place. Woohoo! Look at that confetti fly. Our mining truck is ready to haul some heavy rocks now. Now for our dump truck buddy. He needs a sturdy roof to keep his driver safe. Which piece fits?
I think it's the blue one. Wait, nope, that doesn't fit. Let's try the green one instead.
Nope.
Perfect! Slide it in gently. Vroom, vroom! Everything is perfectly assembled now. They are zooming together on the road. You did an amazing job today, puzzle masters. See you next time. Whoa! Buckle up, puzzle explorers. The engine is roaring to life.
Vroom, vroom. Check out these cool monster trucks. Ready for action.
Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 awesome trucks on the track.
Boo! A spooky ghost just popped in to say hello. Did you see him?
Oh no, our trucks turned into shadows, and this little friend is sad. Let's cheer him up. Ha ha! Look, he's laughing now. Great job helping him smile again. Time to be detectives.
3,
Can you point to where the pumpkin truck's tire belongs?
What? This puzzle is tricky, but I think the blue piece goes right. Here, wait, is that right?
Don't worry, keep trying. Focus on the shapes. You're doing fantastic. Super sleuths. Almost there. Just one more piece to snap into place. Click. You've got this.
no. Wait. Wait.
Ta-da! You did it! Look at all these fluffy kittens celebrating your victory. You're a puzzle master! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Today we're meeting our hardworking digger friend, the mighty Komatsu.
Whoa, look at that road roller. Is it missing a piece? Maybe it's a giant donut.
Not quite silly. It's a heavy drum to flatten the ground. Can you help us find the right shape? You found it! Click! Snap! Everything is perfect now. Look at those happy dancing cats celebrating with us.
Meowtastic! Everyone, clap your hands for that awesome puzzle work.
Vroom, vroom! Watch that lever excavator scoop up all the dirt. It's so strong, isn't it?
Excavator.
He's filling up that big dump truck. 1, 2, 3 scoops. It's like a giant meal for the truck.
Time for another challenge. Which piece fits our logging wheel loader? Is it a square?
Great guess, but look closer. It needs that special scoop shape. You did it. High five.
Wheel loader.
Look at that caterpillar loader go. It moves dirt so fast. Beep, beep, make way for the heavy machinery.
Wheel loader.
Final round, team. We need to fix the road roller one last time. Can you point to the missing part? You nailed it. Everything is back in place and ready to roll. You are total puzzle pros.
Road roller.
Road roller.
See how the Hyundai roller flattens the earth? Smooth as butter.
Road roller.
That's how we build safe roads.
Boom! Fireworks for our winner.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our big building adventure. Look at that shiny purple excavator rolling onto the scene. Vroom, vroom.
Wow, look at all those shadows. Is that a giant robot dinosaur? I think it's a T-Rex.
Haha, not quite. Those are 3 hard-working diggers waiting for their parts. Let's help them get ready for work. Can you spot the missing arm for our yellow digger? Point your finger at the screen if you see it. Click!
I found a piece. It looks like a giant yellow lemon. Wait, that's definitely a shovel bucket, right?
Exactly. That big bucket helps our digger friend move piles of dirt. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Everything is coming together perfectly. Look how fast those tracks are spinning. Zoom, zoom. We are almost finished. Grab that last engine cover and pop it into place. Snap!
I'm putting on the wheels now. Watch me go. Watch me go. Are they spinning fast enough?
You are doing such a fantastic job, team. Just a few more bolts to tighten. Almost there. Ta-da! Look at them go! All 3 excavators are ready for the construction site. Boom! Fireworks for everyone.
That was amazing. You guys are master builders. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Superstars.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to help our construction team find their homes? Let's go!
I see 4 empty spots. Maybe I should try putting the crane in the cement mixer spot. Vroom!
Oh, silly! Let's find the right match together, everyone! First, our spinning cement mixer rolls right into place. Click! perfectly. Next comes the tall crane, the road roller, and our hardworking digger friend. They're all home.
Wow, look at them glow. It's like a construction party, ting-a-ling.
You did it, Puzzle Masters. High five the screen, everybody. Look at that strong excavator. He digs deep to help build big, beautiful buildings. And there is the smooth road roller, making the ground nice and flat for us to drive on. Up, up, and away goes our crane. It's reaching for the clouds today. Don't forget our spinning cement mixer. He's always ready to mix, mix, mix.
Boom! Fireworks for our amazing team. You solved the puzzle perfectly, construction heroes.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're helping our brave police car buddy get ready for patrol.
Whoa! Did you see that bird fly by? Something mysterious is happening to our car.
The pieces are all scrambled. Can you help us put our brave friend back together?
3, 2,
1, go! Oh no, that door doesn't fit there, silly me.
No! God!
Yes, that piece clicks perfectly into place. Great job spotting that. Everyone? Watch closely now. We need to find the right spot for this shiny siren.
No! Boom! The last wheel is on! Look at those fireworks. Our police friend looks amazing.
Puzzle Master. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big mission. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Welcome to our big construction adventure. Are you ready to build?
Whoa, look at that cement mixer and Bulldozer go. Vroom, vroom. Watch out for that road.
Oh no, the road cracked. Poor Kitty is so sad to see them fall. We have to help them. Don't worry, friends. We can use our puzzle magic to fix them. Can you spot the missing pieces?
I think the big tire goes on the roof. Am I right?
Haha, not quite silly. The tires belong at the bottom to help our hard-working digger roll along.
Whoa,
Try
look
again.
at him.
Click. That bucket fits perfectly on the arm. You're doing great. Keep going.
Oh my God!
Let's find the cabin for our mighty truck. Use your finger to point to the right shape on your screen.
Huh? Amazing.
Look at that. We're putting the final pieces in place. 3, 2, 1, snap!
Nice.
Ting! See them glow? That means our construction team is ready to get back to work. Oh my God! We did it! All the vehicles are fixed and happy. You are a puzzle superstar. Don't forget to like and follow for more fun. puzzle explorers, ready to fix some big machines with us today.
Oh no! Our hardworking digger friend is broken and sad. Can we help him?
Don't worry, little
Why are you
ones.
crying?
We have our robot friend ready to jump into action. Time to build. Can you point at the screen and help the robot find the tracks? Click!
I think the tracks go on the roof. Am I doing it right?
Not quite, silly. Tracks go on the bottom to help our digger roll. Vroom!
Put me down.
Now, let's attach that big, strong arm. 3, 2, 1, snap! Perfect fit!
Look at him go! You did amazing, team! Let's celebrate with a big high five and a blast of fireworks. Boom!
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, we are on a mission to fix these super cool construction vehicles.
Whoa! Did those construction trucks turn into shadows? Poof! Where did they go?
Don't worry, they were just hiding. Can you spot the missing parts hanging up there in the trees?
2, 1.
I see a giant scoop. That must belong to our hardworking digger, right?
Exactly. Let's count to 2 and snap it into place. 1, 2, click. Yay! You matched it perfectly. Let's give our screen a big round of applause. Look at the steamroller. It needs a heavy roller to flatten the ground. Can you point to it?
Beep, beep. The crane is looking much stronger now that we added its long arm.
You are doing amazing. Only a few more pieces left to make these vehicles ready for duty.
Vroom, vroom. Our forklift is fully assembled and ready to lift heavy boxes.
High five to everyone playing along. We are building a whole construction team today. Woohoo! Everything is complete. Confetti everywhere. You kids are the best puzzle masters ever. See you next time. Welcome everyone! The checkered flags are waving, and our super cool racetrack is finally ready.
Whoa! Check out these awesome character bikes! Thanos and Hulk are looking ready to zoom. Vroom, vroom!
That Lamborghini just filled the whole track with smoke. Can you still see the bikes through the fog?
Hey, little kitty, you look just as confused as I am. What are you doing in the middle of our race?
Time for a challenge! Look closely at these silhouettes and tell me, which part belongs to which rider?
Oops! That didn't fit! Even Chris Tucker knows that piece definitely doesn't belong to Venom's bike.
Gru is here to save the day! Let's slide that purple piece right onto Thanos' ride. Click! Perfect match! Look at them go! You are doing an amazing job solving these puzzles. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And ready to roar! Great job today, team! You're all absolute puzzle champions! Hey, Puzzle Pals! Welcome to the Road Trip Puzzle Challenge! Are you ready to roll?
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Our white truck just did a silly jump!
Even our puppy friend is scratching his head! Can you help us figure out this truck mystery? these trucks into their perfect spots. Just like a giant sliding puzzle.
Go!
Look, a green helper. Wait, is he telling us no entry? Maybe that truck goes somewhere else.
Uh-oh, the green guy looks a bit grumpy. Try again, friend. That piece doesn't fit there.
Ting! You did it. All the trucks are lined up perfectly. Great counting, everyone. Hooray! Confetti everywhere. You solved the puzzle like total pros. See you next time, Puzzle Superstars. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Welcome to our big vehicle building adventure today.
Vroom! Look at that yellow truck go. He loves keeping our park clean.
Can you spot the difference? Which one is the garbage truck? And which is the tanker?
I bet the tanker truck is the one with the big round belly. Am I right?
Close, but let's build our jolly garbage truck friend first. Drag that chassis into place. Click! That piece fits like a glove. You're doing great. Keep going. Time for the wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Almost there. Just a few more snaps to finish our yellow buddy.
Ta-da! Look at that magical sparkle. He's ready to roll. Beep, beep. Now we have a green garbage truck. Let's find where this heavy cabin goes.
Grab your virtual wrench. Let's tighten those bolts together. Click, click, click!
This yellow tanker truck is huge! Help me slide the main tank into the silhouette. Great focus! You are a master mechanic. Just a little bit more to the left. Wow, they look amazing all together. Happy New Year, trucks! You all did a fantastic job today, superstars. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build big machines with us today? Let's go!
Whoa! Look at all these heavy-duty machines rolling in. Vroom, vroom.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. Everything is going kaboom.
Wait, did that cat just jump through a laser beam? That's totally wacky.
It's puzzle time! Can you help our hardworking digger find its missing scoop? Point to the right one!
Maybe it uses a giant spoon? No, just kidding. Let's drag that piece into the silhouette.
You did it! High five! Look at those happy faces celebrating our success. Click, snap! Everything is falling perfectly into place. You guys are super builders.
Hey, why is that spooky clown hiding behind the cement mixer? Shoot, go away! We're busy matching parts!
Groove is here to celebrate. We finished all the vehicles. You're all master puzzle champions.
Smash that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time, team.